Each chapter, Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we must be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see
I
him.
bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. I'm gonna tell you a story about a swan.
Dear Mr. Bear, I need your help to recover a stoneflower from under the water.
Ms. Swan, what are you doing?
I'm writing Mr. Bear for help, quack, quack.
I've already talked to him. I think we can retrieve it all together if we use an ingenious method like this. Look.
What are you saying? We don't have any time to play with toys.
I'm not playing, I'm serious.
The only one who can lift that stone is Mr. Bear. He has the strength of Hercules.
Hey, friends, are you looking for me?
There he is now. Oh, please, I beg you, stop coming up with these stupid ideas. Let me do the talking.
You shouldn't have.
Oh, my old friend, you're the only one who can get us out of this predicament. The water's deep and the stone is heavy. It's not going to be easy.
Well, don't you worry. With the help of this here rope, we'll solve all our problems. Now, just exactly where did it go down?
Well, it fell down off its pedestal, and now it seems to be blocking the water circulation. If it's blocking the drain, we'll have a flood. We have to get it
Hey,
out.
buddy, let's go to work.
You've got it. Start pulling.
You did it! Hooray!
You did it. You did it.
Well done! You've done exceptional work, my friend.
Thank you. All there is to do is take it out of the water.
No, rest a while. Quack, quack, bring Mr. Bear something to eat.
Here we are.
We brought something.
Where's Quack, quack? Here, let me give you a hand.
He said he'd be back in just a second with some lifesavers.
Lifesavers? Is he crazy? While we're worrying about securing the stoneflower and taking it out of the water, he's worrying about stupid lifesavers?
Well, we'll finish it with or without the duck, for sure.
Would you care for some more?
Be careful, the water is overflowing!
The stone is blocking the drain.
Hurry up! The stone has clogged the drain!
Oh no, this is terrible. If we don't do something right away, all this area will end up underwater. Move quickly, Mr. Bear. You're the only one who can save us. Are you sure that I don't?
Oh, darn, I'm gonna have to go underwater.
He's going in. Oh no! Oh, I'm coming! Hold on, I'm coming! Oh, Mr. Bear! Look!
Mr. Duck! Mr. Duck! We're in the middle of a tragedy! The stone flower has blocked the drain and the bear jumped in the water to remove it! And now he's drowning and the swan isn't able to save him!
Oh, I must help them. There they are. Hey, frogs, throw the lifesavers in, quick! Heave!
Push him over here! A little more!
Hurry up and grab the rope and the lifesavers! Go underwater and run the rope around the stone flower! Heave-ho! 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 Heave-ho!
What's going on?
You still don't get it. I'm lifting the stone flower.
You fool, you'll need an elephant.
We did it! Third place!
You're wasting your time and energy on dumb ideas. You'll never be able to lift the stone flower.
Obviously, those lifesavers aren't enough to lift the stone flower. You frogs will have to go back down and attach another one. Look lively!
All right, let's put our backs into it.
Here, let me give you a hand.
We did it!
She's on her way up. Everything is A-OK!
Huh? Oh! How were you able to do it, Quack Quack? Some sort of magic?
No, magic has nothing to do with it. All I did was use the basic laws of buoyancy.
What?
Let me explain. The trick to lifting something heavy from underwater is to attach a lot of flotation devices.
Congratulations! I didn't know ducks were so ingenious. Well done, cousin.
I wonder why I didn't think of that.
He did it! He did it! He's our man! He did it! He did it!
When you're not as strong as a bear, you gotta use your smarts to get things done.
I'm so hungry. That flour looks delicious. Oh, I hate those thorns.
Oh my, what a beautiful flower you are. My congratulations to you, miss. You are one of the most superb examples of the floral kingdom I have ever seen. Your perfume is sweet and penetrating. And your petals are perfectly symmetrical like a living diadem of color.
Really?
Oh, yes, indeed, my dear.
I got an idea.
Unfortunately, I must be going.
Goodbye.
Thank you again for the pleasure your beauty has given me.
Oh, Rose.
You called?
The contest for the most beautiful flower in the woods is starting in the valley. Did you know that?
Contest?
Oh, yes. Flowers from every coppice, dell, spinney, and thicket have entered.
Really?
And I hear they're going to give a beautiful prize to the winner.
Truly, truly?
Yes, yes, yes. You'd walk away with it. You would.
Then I should enter.
Those unsightly thorns will have to go, of course. The judges are very strict about blemishes. All right, I'll go register you with the jury panel then.
Rose, what are you doing? Come back! Rose!
What are you doing? What is this? I'm going to the beauty contest.
You're going without us?
Of course, I'm perfectly capable of getting there on my own. The judges might take you for blemishes and disqualify me.
No, don't do it, Rose. You can't get along without us.
You're just having your little joke, aren't you, Rose? You know perfectly well that without us, you'd be deprived of moisture and nutrients.
Not to mention the most important thing. The ties of family and affection that bind us all together.
Oh, thanks. But I've decided I shall present myself at the beauty contest, devoid of all useless appendages.
Who you calling a useless appendix? Why, you oughta...
Nothing must be allowed to obscure the splendor of my beauty. Goodbye, friends. I'm off to win the prize at the beauty show. All alone and on my own, that's the way to go. In for a penny, in for a pound. When I get there, my beauty will resound. Oh, I can't wait to see the acclaim and fame I'll earn today. I'll be #1 Rose, and that's enough for me. Hey, hey!
She needs a lesson. Did I muster your petal no? And why are you on the road alone?
It's no business of yours. You are distinctly overbearing.
And you are distinctly stupid.
going to the beauty contest. I thought I'd win. I was sure of it.
You'll never get anywhere without roots, stab, and shoot. Roots keep you from being torn off by the wind. And the stem and shoot carry water and food to you. You'd better find them, and find them soon, my girl, or you're done for.
It's a little foolish, I suppose. Very foolish.
We must go looking for a little bloom. Are you with me, you guys?
I think I'll take a snooze myself. That's what I need most right now.
We won't be able to do a thing for her if we're not all there together. Come on, Root.
Come on,
you have to be there, too.
Woe is me. Oh, I'm so thirsty. I'm wilting. Oh, butterfly, dear butterfly, please rescue me. See what a pitiable state I've fallen into.
What's the matter, Rose?
I'm so terribly thirsty.
Oh, you poor thing. Stay here. I'll try to consult your other components.
We've come miles and miles and still no sign of our dear little Rose. Where in the world could she have gotten herself to?
I can't go a step further. I need to stop and rest. I'm dreadfully in need of water. I can't
Yes,
imagine
we
what
should have
she must be
insisted
feeling.
that Root come with us.
Yes, you're right.
Quickly, we must rescue Rose. She's in bad shape back there in the grass.
Oh, dear.
This time she won't get away.
Have you any water, good sir? I'm so thirsty I can't stand it anymore.
I'm gonna put you out of your misery.
Don't talk like that. You're scaring me.
Without your thorns, you're mine.
Listen, it's Rose's voice. Here we come, Rose. Hang in there. We're coming, Rose.
And in the end,
You get that. You delinquent.
a deplorable misunderstanding. I was just trying to help the poor wee lass, and I...
Rose, it's me. Try to hold on.
Water.
What can we do for her, Stem? We can't get any water into her without roots.
You stay here with her. I'll get him up if I have to set fire to him. Root, get up. Rose needs water or she'll die.
What? Huh? All right. I better suck up some water from the ground. I feel so weak. I wonder why. Oh.
I'll explain as soon as we get there. Now hurry. The reason you feel ill is because we have to stay together. It's the only way we can protect ourselves and stay healthy.
You're so right.
Up you go.
I'm beautiful again.
Now hop up and take your place right away. And I hope you learned your lesson. We all have to stick together.
Here I am. We'll never be separated again.
The swan. How is the swan classified in the animal kingdom? The swan is a bird belonging to the Anseriformes order, to the Anatidae family and the Anserininae subfamily. It has a long, graceful neck, its bill is serrated to filter the water it dabbles in, and it has webbed feet. How many species are there, and where do they live? There are 5 known swan species, and they're native to Asia, Europe, North America, and Australia. How do they live? Swans are strictly monogamous creatures, living in couples which stay together for life. The male and female work together to make the nest, which is always located near a stretch of water, and to raise their young, called cygnets. How do they move? Like all members of the Anatidae family, swans swim, fly long distances, and walk on dry land with a characteristic waddling gait. They actually float on water and swim by paddling with their webbed feet. What do they eat? Swans are vegetarians. They dabble for aquatic plants, dipping their long necks in shallow, stagnant water and carefully searching the bottom with their bills. How do they protect themselves? Adults usually take to the air when faced with danger. If cygnets feel threatened while swimming, they seek refuge either on their parents' backs or between their wings. How do they relate to people? It depends. Some species, like the trumpeter swan, for example, are threatened with extinction due to human mismanagement of the environment, while others live in captivity in close contact with people. Can they live in the city? Yes, swans often live in public parks, like pets of the city, as long as there's a pond large enough for them.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is that when your friends help you, you can overcome every kind of difficulty. Oh, look who's coming!